So what's happening now, Shanice?
Oh, Dad! It's not funny.
So we decided to choose to go into a road. And
Here's what's ahead.
yep, there's two cars actually there. I am not sure why. Because we saw one car came up here, so we just followed them.
Ooh.
Why?
I don't know.
But look at all these things.
Then you're not helping at all. Wait, ice, no. This is funny, oh my god.
So Shanice is doing a very cool
Such a bitch.
reverse technique.
I'm reversing the whole way out, you know, that's not
Yeah.
funny. Sir.
It's okay lah, it's quite near actually.
No, but behind there is like that two rocks things.
Oh yeah, it's okay. I will tell it's just skills. Alright, just
Are you okay? Yeah.
Alright guys, just a quick update. Whoa, Shanice, drive carefully. Wow, that's a nice place to take photo in.
Garage, I
Maybe not. We are at the green grass area of Iceland. It is strange that for once, like we were driving through ice and snow and stuff to suddenly just greeneries. But look at that, the differentiation between green and blue. It's just like a Windows XP wallpaper. Am I talking too loud? We are about 14 minutes away to the geisha, and after which we will go to the Gullfoss, which is a waterfall called Gull, because Foss means waterfall, so we are going to the Gull. Yeah, but look at the road as well. How cool is that? It's like everything was actually like, let me just like swing except for this. Everything else looks so nice.
Oh, except for this.
How are you feeling so far, Shanice?
I mean, there.
You've just driven for 5 minutes.
Such a maybe on the vlog, yeah, it looks fine. 5 minutes. I mean, I drove like almost the entire way, please.
No! I drove for 1 hour already, okay? You just drove there for 40 minutes.
No, that's such a lie.
Anyways, wow, look at that! Like everywhere you look or turn, it's so pretty. And oh, look at the horses. Yeah, I think I have a problem with vlogs because I think I might have too many footages, which I am not sure what I'm gonna do with. So, I might make the vlogs longer. Do tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section below. If you guys happens to watch it before we even finish the trip. Other than that,
I think you should make a long cinematic vlog.
yeah, I think no, I will compile everything. At the end of the trip, I will of course make a cinematic, like a film kind of vibe, not vlog. And yeah, hopefully that would be better.
Yeah, I think so.
Like an introduction of Iceland from a Singaporean point of view.
From our perspective.
The weather is not that bad yet. It is quite... I'm guessing because we are moving towards summer already, so it is not as bad as I thought it would be. Oh, the bigger cows. Horse, I mean horse, they're horses. Guys, I've got some good news. We've made new friends. Let me show you who the friends are. Check it out. Oh, they're so handsome. With the wind and the face. Check it out. Whoa. Hello there. Hi there. Can I touch you? Oh, let me touch you. Oh, that's so handsome. Ooh. Chill the monkeys, guys. Chill the monkeys. Woo. Hi. Shanice, can I say hi to the... You touch it.
No, I'm not
You touch it.
Nope.
Touch it.
Dat mag niet.
So cool. Alright, so this is the place, future vision for geisha area. I'm not sure what they're gonna do here, but I'm planning because of due to the higher demand of tourists now, they're gonna make more stuff here so that tourists will come. People like us will come. But check that out. Ooh, that looks so cool. I'm not sure if this is the correct way to go in though.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up, I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck?
Alright guys, we are not planning to go all the way in because we don't have much daylight left. We still need to go see the waterfall. So quickly, once we are done with the waterfall, sorry, I didn't manage to have time to change the lens as well, so it's pretty much cropped and close to my face.
And we smell,
How about you say where we?
and we smell like eggs, guys.
Hi.
Hi guys. It is so cold outside now. It may not look like it, but it's really cold. So I just visited the geisha. Geisha. We are now on our way to go see the waterfalls, which is 10 kilometers away.
And we just had lunch.
Yep, pizza. So, without further ado, let's proceed. But before that, let's take one more pizza. I'm so hungry. Don't worry, it's just cheese and tomato.
Are you ready?
We are now at the waterfalls area. Sorry about the wind. Hi up, darling. Apparently we need to take this walk all the way to the waterfall area. All this, I swear, it seems too nice to be real. Like, it is so... I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't look real at all. Like, you only see these kind of things in the movies, but it is real. Look at that. Okay, let me get a close up of it. Let's go. Alright, Shanice, how was the waterfall?
It's good.
Good only. It's something else,
Yeah. It was really picturesque. It's like what Dan has been saying. It's like a wallpaper, a real life wallpaper.
How is it real?
It's real, right?
Got this car, guys. It is like a huge limousine kind of shit. Anyways, check that out. There's the scenery. It is so amazing here. Like, I don't even know how the vlog's gonna be. How I'm gonna edit it. So yeah. There, here, baby. Okay.
You can't take it from me lah, huh?
Right. Is this slippery?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You can feel it. Alright, Chinese, where we at now?
We're at some random waterfall.
Yeah, we were driving to our location and we saw this waterfall, so why not have a look? Are you excited?
Yep. We get wet. We definitely get wet.
Yeah, people are all getting wet, passing, going back, so look at that waterfall. It looks so surreal.
I am on auto. Yeah. This is our room. Assalamualaikum. It's pretty basic. And the toilet.
Show them the best part of the room.
That's what we're praying for. Go, go, go.
Okay, so basically we have now just reached Skoga Falls, which is one of the name of the waterfalls. The room is very basic, you guys can see. But the best part is,
Oh,
it's dark already.
it's dark already. Hi.
But you can actually see the waterfall from our room.
If
No, I don't think you can see.
Yes, you can. There you go.
Can you see?
Yeah, that.
Yep. So which is pretty awesome. So we will end the vlog here today at 8 PM. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be another exciting day. We are going to the ice caves. Hopefully. Nothing is confirmed yet. But hopefully we will be able to go and see the ice cave and all the glaciers and all the icy stuff tomorrow. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.